In today's arena, a lot of people who are actually very truly inspired by Islam and they want to serve Islam, in every single moment of their life, or at least whenever they have free time, they'd like to serve Islam like that. However, when they go talk to any non-Muslim about what Islam is, because they themselves have no knowledge or very little knowledge of Islam, they get exposed big time, very, very immediately. I mean, no sooner than they start talking to people about Islam, they get clean bold, and they lose confidence in Islam as a result of that. And some of them actually become apostates because they listen to the other gentleman from another religion, talk about a few things that are his misconceptions, and he portrays them as though these are the defects in the religion of Islam. And this person who was until now, or very recently inspired that he wants to live all his life for Islam, and he, just goes and talks to one person or two people just like that in a matter of time, he's against Islam. So this is another reason I said, which is why we are supposed to learn Islam, that we have enough knowledge about Islam so that we can actually go stand and talk or sit and talk with them for hours, and be able to, paint Islam, project Islam in the nicest possible way our righteous predecessors painted, or paint its true picture, inshallah ta'ala, which is of course the nicest painting or the nicest picture. So this is another reason. Similarly, there are people, who want to learn or who want to study the books of other religions. For them, they'd like to have what is called comparative, religions, or the study of comparative religions. So they would like to pick up
تقابل
the
أديان.
books of various other religions. Yes, Sheikh, you were saying something?
تقابل أديان مثل هكذا.
Yes, yes. So that's what it is called in Urdu, taqabul adyan, comparative religion. What I'm saying here is, a lot of people want to understand, want to study various other religions in order for them to be able to arrive at the right conclusion that yes, I have studied, so many religions, and now I say that so and so religion is the correct religion, or Islam is the best religion. In the process of doing this, when they don't have enough knowledge about Islam themselves, they are definitely going to be confused about those religions, and some of them actually might lose their way and become apostates again. They leave Islam, they say goodbye to Islam. So these are the reasons why. Of course, there are many other reasons, because, like we talked about it, I mean, this is the best faculty that a person could study, because this faculty is about Allah Azza wa Jal. This faculty is about the religion of Allah Azza wa Jal. And oh boy, there are three questions that we get asked, when we are buried in our graves. Ma Rabbuka, Ma Dinuka, Ma Nabiyuka. So the second question, Ma Dinuka. So this is what we are trying to actually understand. And when we actually try to understand Ma Dinuka, inevitably we will be able to understand Ma Rabbuka wa Ma Nabiyuka, inshallah ta'ala. So these are the three questions. Marifatullah, Marifatul Islam, Marifatul Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So these are the three main components in one's life. So that's why we are trying to actually understand what Iman,